we already discussed what is Chebyshev inequality. So this is Chebyshev inequality. Probability of mod of x minus m greater than equal to epsilon naught less than equal to sigma square by epsilon naught square, or probability of mod of x minus m less than epsilon naught greater than equal to 1 minus epsilon sigma square by epsilon naught square. These are Chebyshev inequality. This is also Chebyshev inequality. This is also Chebyshev inequality. Okay. Next we will discuss a problem. So by Chebyshev inequality that in 2000 thrown with a coin, probability that the number of heads lies between 900 and 1100 is at least 19 by 20. Okay, given that the random variable follows binomial distributions. So question is, so by Chebyshev inequality that in 2000 throws with a coin, the probability that the number of heads lies between 900 and 1100 is at least 19 by 20, also given that x follow binomial distribution. So solution, let P be the probability of success, P equal to probability of success in each thrown. Probability of success. Here probability of success is occurring head in single thrown. So occurring one head in single thrown is half. We already discussed. So P is the probability of success, and here probability of success is occurring head in single thrown. So occurring head in single thrown is half. This is the probability. So probability of success. And here n is the number of tiles. Here number of tiles is 2000. So here number of tiles is 2000. So here is number. So n is the number of n equal to number of tiles. Number of trials. Here number of tiles is 2000. Okay. Here given that the random variable follows binomial distribution. Let x be the random variable. X be the random variable which follow binomial distribution. So it can be written as x follows binomial distribution and binomial NP distribution. N means 2000, P is half. So x follows binomial 2000 comma half distributions. Okay. So x is binomial, then we call x is binomial 2000 comma half variate. Okay. If x follows binomial distribution, then we call x is a binomial NP variate. Here n is 2000 and p is half. Clear? We already discussed what is the mean of binomial distribution, what is the variance of binomial distribution. So if x is a binomial NP variate, then mean is NP and variance is NPQ. Q means 1 minus p. We already discussed what is mean, what is variance, and what is the mean of binomial distribution, what is the variance of binomial distribution. If x is a binomial NP variate, then mean is NP and variance of x is, this is variance of x. So variance of x. So variance of x is NPQ. Q means 1 minus p. Okay. So here m is NP means 2000 into half equal to 1000, and p is variance of x is NPQ. NPQ means here n is 2000 into p means half into 1 minus p means 1 minus half means this is also half, that is 500. Okay. So we get m equal to 1000 and variance means sigma square. Sigma square is 500. And question is, number of heads lies between 900 and 1100. So question is number of heads lies between 900 comma 1100. So we already considered x be the random variable number of heads. So let x be the random variable denoting number of heads in 2000 throws of a coin. So let x be the number of heads in 2000 throws of a coin. So we have to show that the number of heads lies between 900 and 1100 is at least 19 by 20. So we have to show that probability of 9000 less than x less than 11100 is at least 19 by 20. So greater than equal to 19 by 20. At least means it takes minimum value. So we have to show that this. Now probability of 900 less than x less than 1100. This is equal to probability of modulus. We express this into these forms: probability of x minus something greater than equal to something, or probability of modulus x minus something less than something. Okay, so we express this means this probability of 900 less than x less than 1100 equal to probability of modulus x minus 1000 less than 100. Okay, since probability of since modulus x minus d less than equal to k implies minus k x minus d plus k d minus k less than x less than d plus k. Okay, this is the property of modulus inequality. So this equal to this. So first is we express this in terms of this form: probability of in terms of this form probability of x minus something less than equal to something, or probability of x minus something greater than equal to something. So we express this probability of x minus something less than this. Okay, so here probability of 9000 less than x less than 1100 equal to probability of modulus x minus 1000 less than 100. Okay, so using Chebyshev inequality this forms. So here we see that here am is 100. So here am is 100, correct, and here epsilon is here am is 1000. This is a mistake. Here am is 1000. So x minus m means x minus mean. So here x minus mean, correct. Here 1000 mean. Here 100 is epsilon naught. So here epsilon equal to 100. Okay, so using Chebyshev inequality, this is greater than equal to 1 minus sigma square. Here sigma square is 5000. So here sigma square is 5000 by epsilon naught square. Epsilon naught square means 100 100 square. So using Chebyshev's inequality, so probability of x minus mean less than epsilon naught greater than equal to 1 minus variance by epsilon naught square. Here variance in our problem is 5000. So variance is 5000 by, here epsilon is 100. So 100, sorry, here variance is 500. Sorry, here variance is 500. So by epsilon means 100 square. So this is 1 minus 500 by, so after calculation this is this. So after calculation this is 20. So 19 by 20. Hence probability of x minus m, here m is 100 less than 1000 greater than equal to 19 by 20, and this is also this. So hence implies probability of 9000 less than x less than 1100 greater than equal to 19 by 20. So completes the proof. So question is the number of heads lies between 900 to 1100. So probability, here is x is the random variable denoting number of heads. So probability of 900 less than x less than 1100 is at least 19 by 20. So the value of probability always greater than equal to 19 by 20. So that is at least 19 by 20. So completes the proof. Okay. We using Chebyshev's inequality. This inequality.